And what I do is I set it so it's the right height so that it comes in where I want the nail nick to be. And then it's just a matter of tracing backwards and forwards on it.
So what's the disc you put in there?
The slitting disc. The one that I did previously, I used Coilin's steel disc with a diamond around the outside, and although it was a bit wider, it made a really neat cut because it didn't flex, and this one was a bit floppy. They're quite fragile.
Yeah.
So I've super glued a plastic Perspex plate behind that one.
Okay then.
I don't think that I would ever use 2mm off there, so I didn't think I was losing anything by sticking on a piece of Perspex.
Yeah, got you.